you wrap things? The heck? A flashlight? Whoa, whoa!
Yeah.
Am I supposed to use this for the puzzle?
Look, you took the stuffing out of here.
You did give me a magnifying glass! I was so right!
Carrying it around. What is this for?
I'm guessing for the puzzle.
What's the puzzle?
I don't know. It looks like this. It looks like you can open it, but I'm sure you can't. Wow, how do you feel? How do you feel? Especially making me feel uneasy. I don't know what to do.
Get off me.
Is there a secret message?
You're ruining it.
How?
Hold on.
Okay,
You take the box off and
moves. Sorry. This piece moves. I don't know what to do, guys. Someone help me out. Oh. Whoa! Things are coming out. Nothing down here. Wow, you found the secret compartment. Did you know straws can help keep a necklace free of tangles, and toothpicks can also untangle one? I've prepared you for success. Here's the toothpicks. Here's the straws in the necklace. A new necklace. This is my old. Flip for more. Who killed the snowman? I can't help falling in love with you. Check your eyes. Keep looking.
The magnifying glass. It was a false clue.
This? You're mean! There's a snowman inside here. So that's not the only thing that opens? Do I need to close it or keep it open? There must There's a little thing right here.
It's in your hand.
Oh, there's a picture of the flashlight. Is this a false clue?
Do you have your paddle?
I want to see the snowman.
It has a hat.
Okay. Love you. Merry Christmas.
Is this? How the heck did you draw inside here?
Wait, didn't you drew
Wait,
inside
and
there?
you can look at this too.
Focus on.
That and
Right.
there's literally like nothing I can do. I don't understand. Thing right here can do something. That doesn't do anything. I feel stupid. Can I have a hint?
If it wiggles, it probably matters.
Even this? Ah! I thought I was worried about breaking it. Oh my god!
The snowman.
Yeah, and it's heat, and it's killing the snowman with it. Poor snowman. Okay. Oh!
Oh, there's a message on the back end.
Merry Christmas, Danika. You are very special to me. You see things from all angles. You are very intelligent and observant. You are always kind and generous. You are a hardworking, persevering individual. I appreciate all these things about you, and these are the reasons why I will always love you, and through everything, the future looks bright. And it's a ring.
Now you can use a flashlight to see how bright it is.
Wait, is there a promise there?
You know where I got that?
No.
Can I guess after?
I don't know. How the heck am I supposed to know?
Hey, Jewelers, because that's your last name.
Hey, Jewelers?
No. I got it the day you sent me a picture. When you were with Aunt Bonnie.
From Sears? How did you do that?
I drove there as soon as you texted me.
Danika, that's
Sorry. Sorry. Really? How nice.
Oh, I figured to put this
Wait, I
ring
have
on.
too many rings on
Yeah,
now.
take them ones off.
Okay, now come over